Hey gamers, today I'm doing a voiceover because my dad was doing construction and it was very loud. So first I put in my contacts that don't really do anything to just make my eyes look bigger. But first, before we do the makeup, we want to prep our face with whatever this is. I don't even know what it is. It says to put on before or after your makeup. But here we have some like liquid primer. We're going to put that on. Once we've done that, we do some concealer. And what I do with this bad boy is I put it under my eyes and then I put it like on the side of my eye, and I also put it on my eyebrows to lighten them, which I don't know why I do this because I just darkened them later. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing that. My eyes are watering so bad right now, I can barely see. By the way, I wasn't able to film that much because I was sick and I was at school. I've been busy. But yeah, I'm gonna take this powder, I shook it, and then, pat, and put it on my face. I put way too much and it got in my eyes, and then my eyes started watering. So yeah, we're just gonna stop that now. But now we're gonna contour my nose. My mirror is so dirty, but it's fine. Yeah, we're just going to contour my nose stuff. Wait, I wonder if I can say that. Nose. Okay, that just sounds weird when you say it over and over again. So yeah, we're doing some contouring. And now we're gonna take some concealer down the middle of my nose, like in between those two things. Once you do that, you blend it and then you look snatched. I was surprised. Now we're gonna put some highlighter to make it look even more snatched. Right there in the middle, and then the bottom. And then blush. Lots of that blush. Like, make it lifted. Oh my god, the back of my head. Okay. Lifted, and once you've done that, you put it on the top of your nose too to make you look sun-kissed like Bella Porsche. I'm just kidding. This whatever this eyeshadow is so light you can barely tell, but it makes it look like natural. It's like a very light pink brownish. I don't even know what's going on. Now we're putting some glitter on my eyes. I believe that's what I was doing, putting some gold glitter. Oh, I have so much hair in the back of my head. Okay. So now I've done my lip liner. I'm working on my brows. I don't even remember what I was doing, but whatever this is, I'm like shaping them. It's a little confusing. Why am I going so slow? This looks so dumb. But now we're doing my eyeliner, which honestly takes a while. I don't know why I was still filming when it was taking so long. So yeah, this is kind of a boring part. I'll try to make it less boring for you guys. So I have to go to school tomorrow, and I missed 2 days of school because I was sick and I did not feel good at all. So I missed a lot of work, so I have to go to Flex and I have to finish all my work. And I did do some of my work tonight. I procrastinated, and I literally have school tomorrow and I was doing it at night. Yeah, but it's good because my dad ordered my iPhone 13 Pro. But don't worry guys, I'm not spoiled. I paid for it myself. I probably am spoiled. I like my parents, but I did pay for it. So before you say I'm spoiled, because a lot of people think that kids are spoiled just because their parents buy them a phone. Like, a phone is kind of a necessity in 2021. Okay? So yeah. But yeah, I'm waiting for my iPhone 13. And also, it's kind of a necessity for me, especially because I film on my phone and I really need better quality videos. So I definitely need the iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone 13 Pro. I'm not flexing, guys. I'm just joking around. I'm just playing. I'm just playing around, okay? But I definitely need the iPhone 13 because I need the better camera, because the camera's a lot better. Anyway, I just did my eyeliner, and now I'm like, I put on the lash glue, so now I'm putting some mascara to prep. And there's the lashes, so cute. And I'm getting the outfit all ready, socks, shoes, you know, there it is. Here's some TikToks too.